Hi everybody, I hope everyone's doing well. Well, today is January 6th, 2022. 2022, guys. I hope that so far that this year has been really good to you guys. It's only 6 days in. By the time you watch this, maybe it's 6, 7, 8 days into the new year, but nevertheless, I hope that you guys are all doing well. I hope that this year brings for us some really good, positive things, right? I know we'll experience some hardships, of course, that's life, but overall, just some lightness, about everything going on out there, and just some relief in so many ways for us as a society in general. But yeah, I hope you guys are all doing well, and I really hope for each and every one of you this year some really good things for all of us, for sure. All right, guys, so today's video, I have done a couple of videos, so you're going to see me in this getup, but this is the first video, and then I did a haul. I'm going to be doing a haul video, and then I did a get ready with me using all of this. And it's going to be a long get ready with me because I talk about foundation. I talk about a lot of new things that I purchased. So I'll talk about foundations, eyeliners, new makeup palettes. We run through some of the eyeshadows, and I really start from primer and all the way to lipstick. So it's going to be a long get ready with me. Anyways, this is going to be a little bit of a chit chat video. I just want to catch you guys all up. A lot of you guys know that I am moving, and you guys are watching my moving Chronicles, and I really feel good. I like the feedback that I'm getting with that, and that you guys are taking this journey with me. Thank you. Thank you. The last time I have a vlog video in my moving Chronicles from the 16th of December, and it is already edited. It is just not uploaded to YouTube, and it won't be. I'm not gonna upload it. Because it has been it's been a bit, and I'm gonna tell you what happened here in a minute. But that is pretty much the 16th and the 17th. Our vlog videos that you will never. I'm not gonna post just because we're already the 6th. So we're gonna let those go. I'll put some little highlights of that here right now. Did it? Yes. 2 miles, and I did it with the stretch band. The Early Bird eyeshadow palette is sold out. The Nightingale eyeshadow palette, I have that one, is sold out. I have this one too, Pretty Birdie eyeshadow palette. They have it in stock. This is the one I don't have, the Phoenix Rising palette. I have to set alarms because I get into things and I don't want to forget picking up my own kids. This is cauliflower rice and with some noodles. And for my eyes, I use the Pixie. I use the Pretty Vulgar. Pretty Birdie in Pretty Vulgar is the brand. Pretty Birdie. Or this blue one, this green one, and then just this. There's the better look. And look, I found these little gnomes. Look at how cute. I got my deodorant. Look at these gnomes. Isn't that cute? And then this bigger one. Flowers were delivered to our house, and we're like, what? And so it is our address. It's our address. But the person that it's addressed to, it has no one that we know.
But it doesn't say.
And there's no to, like there's no from.
And there's no what florist it came from.
Oh, there isn't.
No.
Oh, I didn't even see that.
Yeah, where'd it come from?
Oh, there's no card?
No.
Oh, there isn't.
No, normally it'll say what.
Like
so on the envelope, it'll say what florist it
It's
came
not.
from.
It's just a regular envelope. Really, really want to do a lot like now. Put in the work right now, and then take a few days off and just really enjoy Christmas break with the kids, We really had a good time during Thanksgiving. It was great. We lounged on the couch in PJs, and honestly, guys, I don't remember the last time I've done that, me personally, with them. I'm supposed to get rid of stuff, right? So far, This is my little stack to sell. And everything else I haven't really read. And the cookbooks, I guess I've been doing like low carb. Well, not doing is a little exaggeration, but I've been buying books low carb to keto. On the 17th, I did find out that my son passed his second board exam. And I was actually vlogging for you guys at a Costco. And when the phone call came in, when he found his results and he passed his second board exams. So I was vlogging for you guys there at Costco. And guess what? My son called. He passed. That was very, very exciting because he was able to breathe after that. And he was so excited because he knew that, you know, it's done. It's over. He did it. And as of now, he is working. He is working at a hospital doing his thing. In fact, another hospital has reached out to him yesterday. And this particular hospital is one that he really, really, really wants. And they finally called him and said, let's interview. He's really hoping for that job, but he's already working. So he's there. My husband will start working on the 10th, which is this coming Monday, I think. Is it? Am I right? This Monday? He starts his new job. He passed the drug test. Even it's the same company. It's the same company, but he had to sort of redo a drug test and stuff like that. Passed, background check, passed. Everything's good. Everything's good. So he will start on the 10th. Right now it is Thursday, and he took Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, well, the weekend, but Thursday and Friday off extra to get everything, all Christmas done, Christmas decorations down, and he's working on that right now. So that should be done within today and tomorrow. We should get all of that Christmas stuff should be put away. The only thing I told him to sort of keep out is the one main tree. And it's because he's going to throw it away. It's broken. It's kind of barely hanging on. And the lights that are on there are lights we put on. It is a pre-lit tree, but we just sort of... he sort of made it work for this year, but he's just going to keep it up for the ambiance to not let it feel so cold down there. It's starting to feel really not homey anymore, and so I just said leave it on, the lights and things like that, you know. So that's the last thing he's going to throw away. He's going to bring all the boxes that are up here. He will start pulling them downstairs and try to get as much from the upstairs downstairs. Anyways, back to the vlogs. That's kind of where we're at with the move. But as far as the vlogs, what happened was, guys, I was doing really, really well. You guys were getting one a day from me. I was even starting to post 2 a day to try to catch up. And what I had planned to do was on the weekend of Christmas, I had planned to take Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday off from vlogging and just off from packing and everything. So that was going to give me a chance to just edit, relax, and get caught up as much as I could. And I was really doing good. And what happened was I got sick. I got really, really sick. My whole family did. We got really sick. The achiness in my muscles, they kind of reminded me a little bit of the Rona. I started to think that maybe I did have the Rona, or my family and I, we were going to go through that again, but we tested negative. We all felt like bowling pins. We fell one by one. And in fact, my oldest, my 27-year-old, He couldn't even start his work. He was already hired. He couldn't even start because he was really bad too. We were knocked out, guys. I literally laid in bed for 2 days and I didn't even know what day it was. Was it morning? Was it night? I had the blankets over me and I just felt so miserable. My joints, my body, my muscles. I really thought I had the Rona, but we tested and we were negative. But it didn't feel like your typical cold or whatever. To think about packing and anything like that, I couldn't. So probably for like 2.5 weeks now, I just couldn't pack. Nothing. I was even showing you a vlog. I think it was the 17th, 16th, where I was exercising. I'm working on my arms. My arms are really bothering me. Like this one used to be my thinner arm, and it's not. It's what this one is, and this one is. Yeah, we won't look at that one. I was exercising. I was doing so well, and yeah, we got hit hard, and now I'm fine. I worked out last night. I didn't record anything, but I did work out last night. I was only able to do 2 miles, and I will tell you I was coughing, but it wasn't like a cough that was like I'm out of breath cough. It was more like a cough where I was loosening up more mucus, that kind of thing. Okay, enough of that. But that's what happened, guys. And now my 20-year-old, he finally is sick, and it's like really, really bad. So we're taking care of him. So he's in his room. He's called off for the first time yesterday, and then the day before he had a day off. So I said, you know what? Just be in your room, sleep, 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 sleep. That is what's happening. We are still looking for homes now. We are gearing up. Whatever comes up now, if we find a house now, from here until March 1st, which is our last day, we will move on it. My son has a job. My husband has a new job. He's going to start driving away, and we are looking away from our city, but we also from time to time look here because it is getting very difficult to find anything away from here. So I don't know where we'll end up. I will say we look away from here, closer to their jobs, but we do occasionally look in the same city here. But even though my husband and my son do not want to live here because the drive is going to get to them, it's going to be wear and tear on their car. It's going to be they have to leave hours before they actually need to be there. You know what I mean? Like it just, if it's possible, we're trying to get away so that we can move closer to where they work at. But we are now looking. So if we find anything, we're going to jump on it now. So we're starting that looking process really, really hard. As far as the house, like I said, I was not able to pack up not one thing. But I am now going to be working on that really, really hard. I feel like we are ahead of the game still, even though with the setback, because I was packing like crazy, and then my husband was taking some extra days, and then on his days off, we were just packing. I feel like that really set us up pretty good, because if I wouldn't have done that and then get sick twice in December, like the first time I got sick, guys, and you saw it in a vlog, that just felt like sickness. This, what I got, did not feel like that. Similarities, most definitely, but like hyped up. But we haven't packed, so that's what we're going to be doing today. My husband started today. I wanted to get these videos up, and then Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, that's what we're going to do. Just pack. The other thing, really, really quickly, that I did record on December 19th, I believe, I did declutter my eyeshadow palettes. I have not edited that. And that is a two-parter. And that is going to be, it's going to take me a long time to edit. But it's not time sensitive. I don't feel like the vlogs are more time sensitive. even though that's part of the moving Chronicles, it's still more of a makeup declutter video. So look out for that. I do have that to get out to you. I was really pretty impressed with myself. You'll see. And I will have in the declutter video, you'll see me in this getup because I do talk about a certain palette and what happened in the mishap and all of that. You'll find that interesting. So look out for that. I do the declutter, and then you're going to see me in this getup because I had something to say about one of the decluttered palettes. So anyways, yeah, I have since bought some palettes because I got Christmas money. Actually, I got two Ulta Christmas gift cards and then a Marshall's gift card, and I used that already for things that I wanted, and you'll see. Check out the next video you see from me in this getup is going to be the haul, and then after that you will see the get ready with me with this. But anyways, we are all doing fine other than my 20-year-old Aiden, who succumbed to whatever we had. We're keeping an eye on him. And real quick update on my grandma. She's just not doing really, really well. Right now, they're just basically keeping my grandma comfortable. That's it. No, she's not eating, drinking, nothing anymore. So they're just keeping her comfortable with a really, I don't know what I can say on here, but it's a really strong medication. Starts with an M. So I expect, I don't know what to expect, but there's no prognosis right now. So we're just waiting and seeing on grandma. But one of the things that I do want to tell you, and I said it in a vlog video, was that I did not know this. I just recently found out, like right before Christmas, that actually the social worker that is working with my grandma, the social worker that pertains to my grandma and the doctor that watches my grandma, apparently they had told my family not to tell her that my mom had passed. So I thought at first it was a decision from the family because at the time that my mom passed, my grandma was in a home and nobody could hug her and hold her and console her. So they waited, but then I did not know, and I was not aware that actually the social worker and my grandma's doctor said, do not tell her that her daughter has passed. And so I didn't know that. I just found that out right before Christmas. So there's an update on my grandma. Not doing too good. But I had seen a decline in my grandma, a real rapid decline. Honestly, since she hadn't heard from my mom. She thinks my mom sort of forgot her. And I just seen a rapid decline. Is it because of that? I don't know. If she would have known my mom passed, would she decline quicker? I don't know. My grandma's 99, 98. So, yeah. But she's very much loved, and she has her family going there all the time, and she feels them around her. So, but right now she's pretty much being kept comfortable. So I'll let you guys know. Anyways, that's it, guys. That's it. I didn't mean to close it on a bummer. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. It's just, it is what it is. And it breaks my heart, but I don't know. There is a lot of emotion with that, but I'm set in the reality of it, I realize my grandma is old, yeah. Anyway, that's it, my friends. Again, I really do hope for a really good new year. Positive things. And yeah, I'll talk to you all very, very soon. Take care, you guys. Take care. See you soon. See you soon here on the YouTubes. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.